Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Isabella, and today we are going to be talking about if Uber Comfort is worth it. Okay, if you have a car that qualifies for Uber Comfort and you want to sign up and see if it's worth driving, or if you are thinking of upgrading your car to start driving Uber Comfort, be sure to keep watching and I will let you know if it is worth it or not. Anyways, let's just get started in the video. So if you don't know what Uber Comfort is, it is an option in the Uber app where passengers can order an Uber that has a newer and more spacious car, so it's more comfortable, hence why it's called Uber Comfort. Okay, there are different criteria you need to meet in order to be eligible for Uber Comfort mode. So these are some of the things you need as a driver to be eligible to drive Uber Comfort. So you need to have completed at least 100 trips, maintain a minimum rating of 4.85 stars, and you need to be driving an eligible car that meets the minimum year requirements, and which is different for each make and model, and it can be different in each city as well. As for 2023, last year, these are the cars that are going to be eligible. So there's a few different Acuras, 2016, 2018, Alfa Romeo, 2016 and up. Most of these cars, it's like a minimum of like 2016, and like it can't be any older than that. Every make, there's a different one. Okay, there's a bunch of cars on here. You can go on their website, they have a whole list of all these cars that are eligible. So yeah, basically just a newer car. So yeah, so if you look on that list and you see that your car is in there and you're eligible for Uber Comfort, you might be wondering, well, should I do it? Is it worth it? Because if you don't know this, passengers actually can pay extra for Uber Comfort. Thus, the drivers should be getting paid more for each of these rides. I found this post from a lot of people talking about Uber Comfort, and this is what they have to say. Someone said they drive part-time and do comfort, and they've only gotten a total of 5 comfort rides. However, they do pay well in the market, $33 for 9.4 miles, and that person tipped $7. So that is pretty good. A lot of people are saying that they really don't get a lot of Uber Comfort rides or ride requests at all. Like, this person is saying you might only get like 4 rides in a night. This other person is saying that their SUV qualifies for comfort, but they only get a few comfort rides a week, and it's usually someone going to the airport or a longer ride. A lot of people are saying it's not worth it. They didn't notice the increase from comfort as they are not steady rides and they only come once in a while. So this makes a lot of sense. I never really hear of people ordering Uber Comfort rides to begin with. Like, as a pretty avid Uber passenger, you know, I order a lot of Ubers. I never think to order Uber Comfort. I just don't really see a need to. Like, I don't have a problem sitting in a regular car. It doesn't really make any difference to me at all. I'm sure it doesn't hurt to just maybe check every once in a while, especially if you're in a really busy area at a busy time, to see if anyone is willing to order Uber Comfort. But yeah, just something you could check in. Everyone's saying it's really not worth it unless maybe if you live near a major airport like LAX, JFK. This person's thinking you might get more comfort rides from people who want to relax but don't want to spend money for like the Uber Black. Yeah, really up to you. If you mainly drive Uber Comfort and it's working for you, please let me know down below. Or if it's not working for you, it'd probably be good to let me know down below as well, so other people can learn more about Uber Comfort. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.